this guy that I contacted the other day. His name's Charlie Chaplin. Yeah, come on.
Alan Tamworth?
Post concert, I'm talking to Charlie Chaplin. Is that right?
Yep.
Charlie?
Well, thanks.
Where are you from? From Reed. And what do you do for a job, Charlie? Whereabouts?
All over the joint.
St. George.
Bandy, Walgett, Wheeler.
And then back at Rory. How long have you been doing that?
1968.
Wow. Is it a good job? You like that?
I don't know, it's sort of, it's a bit of a challenge sometimes.
There's a great poem by Bill Harney, and it starts off saying something like, "We are travelling west of Alice in Santa Cruz World, driving this diesel grader and watching it later." It goes. I'll try and play it, but it's a lovely. It's about a grader driver.
Yeah, a while ago, I talked to a couple of grader riders here. That's what I was doing a ring, and I'm thinking to myself, I should give you a ring. But the phone's right.
And this is the what?
Yes.
Your name is?
Linda.
So it's away from other businesses, Linda?
Quite a bit, yes. Yes.
So it gives you a chance to get things done, I suppose.
So there's in the time to.
And what do you think about when you do job keeper, mostly roads or?
Irrigation. Shop irrigation. As you know, it's not really in there. Nothing goes. Dust storms around Walgett all the time.
You see some sites outside. Cotton places are big, aren't they?
They are, yeah, really are.
You've got plenty of time to think, I suppose, you can.
Too much time to think. I found out that my grandfather used to work for kids at Broken Hill. My father had grown up there.
Yeah, in some ways you're doing a sort of similar job, Charlie, aren't you? I mean, you're not a driver, but you sort of are, and you're out there doing the...
My takes fossils out.
Yeah, exactly. Thanks for coming to the concert. It's lovely to meet people. Do you enjoy the concert?
Oh, I loved it. Yeah.
So maybe
You give us a ring sometime when you're out and you're sitting in your grader when you're bogged, or you've got nothing to do. Give us a single.
Still there. Still there.
Thank you, Charlie. Good on you, Dom.
thanks, Michael.
Bye.
Have a good night.
That's Charlie and Linda, and this is a poem by Bill Hunt. We are traveling.